my friend Gregory drive initially. Say hi, Greg.
Hello everyone.
So a little bit of a special one today for my Suzuki Jimny fans. So one of my first videos was in the Suzuki Jimny, but the modern one, which my mate Fezza had. And I know a lot of you have come over from Fezza's channel, so I wanted to show you my massive appreciation for all the support and following by doing something a little bit special in a special little Jimny. So, tell me about your car, Gregory.
Okay.
What is it? How long have you had it? And why?
This one is from 2006. It's a 1300 gas engine and it's the hardtop version. This you can take
gotcha.
off in 10 minutes, but the back you need an hour because
And
there
a couple
is
of people.
yeah.
Gotcha.
So I bought it in 2017 in Madrid from a girl actually, and I bring it back from Madrid. I did a full service and restoration. I changed many things on the car. I upgrade to performance part like in brake, clutch. I changed wheels. I didn't change anything else to pass the ITV, you know, the control technique.
So ITV is the Spanish MOT, and they're an absolute pain in the butt. Like as soon as you modify the minimum thing, there you won't pass, and then you need to get a homologation certificate, and it's just an absolute ball's ache.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. In my case, I have a racing exhaust, only homologated for off-road. That is shorter and wider in diameter.
So do you have to put the original one back on every time you pass?
Yeah,
right.
exactly.
And
You have to put the original exhaust, but I have the two exhausts also with the car. And I put a K&N air filter. I put a performance sparkle NGK iridium that's give more performance on the engine a little bit. This engine originally is 85 horsepower and the weight is 1000 kilos, so it's a fun car.
And what do you think the power output is now with all of those modifications you've done?
Well, probably again 5 horsepower, but 5 horsepower on this car with this small CC engine 1300 is quite notable. Yeah, it's notable when you use it every day in city or in normal open road or off-road. Yeah.
And why are you a Jimny fan already? Because I've known Greg for, God, how many years?
2005.
2005. So
yeah.
We were bikers together.
Yes.
Way back when.
Yes,
that was
yes.
like a lifetime ago.
Kawasaki time.
My God, that was. It's, as you say in Spain, it's rained a bit since then.
Yes.
No, it's rained a bit since then. And so you weren't. I mean, is Suzuki because your love for bikes and it's a brand that's there in the bike world, or what made you go for the Jimny? Where's this love come from?
That's a good question. I've been Suzuki rider since the 80s. I used to work in Suzuki in Paris, Avenue de la Grande Armée, in the 17th district in the late 80s, and I'm a fan since. I used to have a lot of Suzuki bikes, and I have now a Suzuki GSX-R 1300 Hayabusa factory R.
Hayabusa.
Yes.
My favorite. What a beast of a bike.
The beast.
God.
And my idea was to do a matching in my garage, to have the bike, so the engine CC and the brand with the car and the bike. So
we've got out of the car because I was about to be sick, and we're going to do a little walk around. I love how your jacket matches the car.
Oh yes.
Only way.
Yes, yes.
So show me.
You have these little details that I found in AliExpress for the oil engine, the little cover. I have the kind air filter inside, and that's it. Outside you cannot see anything else that I've done.
So she's so personalized. I mean, oh my God.
Yeah, the little blue touch.
And in amazing condition. Look at those seats.
Yeah. All my tire are this Cooper Discoverer 80. That's a very good mixed off-road tires.
And it's my surname, so obviously it's the
Oh,
best
see,
out
it's
there.
true.
Exactly.
Look at that.
Exactly. Please.
I just noticed that now.
Terrible.
I have Cooper tire.
You can pay me later.
So outside, I just push back the back seat like that. You have a big space, and actually it's very practical for my work as a videographer and professional photographer.
What is
I
the
put all my
leather
gear.
harness?
This is
Greg?
when I work as a photographer.
What is the leather
No, it's not
harness,
for
Greg?
it's not for the night or things strange.
Whatever. That's an S&M.
No, it's not.
Okay. All right.
It's to get my two cameras without,
I bet. 2 cameras. I've heard that one before. And here she is, guys. How cute does she look?
Look at this detail. This is a photo printed of the Hayabusa tank cover. So that's a little detail of the 1300 Hayabusa matching.
And what's this?
Rodelas 4x4 is Javier from Marbella, who did all the restoration and the preparation.
Ah, okay. Gorgeous. So what do we need to do? What's the first thing that we need to do here?
So you have the selection of two-wheel drive propulsion, so back-wheel drive. Then you put four-wheel drive normal gear selection,
right?
And you have the extreme four-wheel drive with differential, and you can have the short, like this is L, so L for low.
Yeah.
So it's a low four-wheel drive selection. Mean that the car top speed will go at 60 or 70 per hour, but that's where we can climb 2 trees or 2 walls, more or less. So when I press the 4, you can drive up to 80 km, and you can see that you have the green light. So green light to go off road, 4x4. Actually, on this type of track, like today, you can use two-wheel drive because it's dry and there's no need for four-wheel drive. But it's always better and more comfortable actually to go in four-wheel drives as soon as this, I mean, today is very dry, so you can notice that.
But if it were wet or muddy, then we'd have to, right?
It's more safer to go in four-wheel drive, and if you go in short, then all the gears are very short, so you accelerate quickly and you go up to 60 or maximum speed very fast. But the good thing with that is that you have a very good handle in any type of terrain. Yeah. This is what we have here in Marbella, people. It's not all sun and partying and Puerto Venus and supercars. We also have amazing mountain scenery. How beautiful that is. So, we've had a moment. We've had a moment where I've been doing a little bit of off-roading. It's not 4x4ing really, it's just off-roading, driving down dirt track. And I'm doing okay, but it is the first time in all of my videos that I've stalled a car, that I've stalled it. Well, you did it once and then the second one was good. I have to say that the clutch there is an extreme performance clutch from Australia. It's very strong, very hard to. It doesn't give much feedback. No, it's very short. There's no bite. It's not like right now you can go. And it's very strong. Yeah. So, but when you get the trick, look now you're driving like you had it all your life.
Wow, she says.
And as you see, it's very fun car to drive in off-road. It is. I don't know if off-roading's my thing, but if it were my thing, this just seems like the great car to do so because it's kind of just doing its own thing. Yeah. I feel like I'm just a passenger and the car's like, listen, woman, you don't know what you're doing. Leave me to. You just leave it to do itself. Do you think I could make a career out of 4x4ing? Yes, I'm sure. Do you think so? You're a good driver anyway, so that's the important is that you're a good driver. Doesn't matter the car. Oh my god, there's a hill. It's nothing. Take it on the right. And in first? I go down first or second? Okay. Yeah, first. Okay. You just leave it do its thing. Okay. I didn't eat too much this morning, that's good. Yeah, the second is short, but you go. We did it. Yeah. We made it. You did a good one. I think you need to drive back down though. I don't think I want to drive anymore. I'm going to be sick. You want to say something about my car? He's selling it, people. Yeah. He's selling it. I'm sad. You should be sad. But are you throwing in the jacket in the deal? Possibly, and I even have a genie hat. I have a genie hat. So for the one who buy it from Victoria, I will have a genie hat as a present. I may be on the market for a car. I don't know if this will serve the purpose, but thank you very much for letting me drive today anyway. Neither of us were sick, which is good. Not yet. Well, you need to drive back down, but we'll do that without filming because I don't think I can take it anymore. You did it well. Right guys, well thank you very much for joining yet another ridiculous video. I hope all of my Jimny fans really enjoy this one. If you need any information on the Jimny, if you're looking to prep your one up or anything like that, just let me know. I'll put you in touch with Greg because he seems to know what he's doing. So Greg, thank you very much. Thank you. Will you let me drive your next car that you replace with this one? Yes, for sure. Perfect. Well, there we go. See you guys soon. Bye.